Now, coming to this, as I said, we have to have the what do you call eksctl and Kubernetes ctl setup. So for that, basically, you can simply go to, yeah. So for eksctl, simply go to uh, I'm using Mac in my local, so you can simply go to this URL and follow the instructions straightforward, and then you'll have like eksctl installed, because I'll be using this in order to create the cluster and all those things. I'll be using this command. So you have to have this eksctl installed first, then kubectl, right? So for kubectl also, you have to install again, depending on the operating system that you are using. Based on that, you can choose that necessary installation instructions and install that. Okay, and this is how uh, you can install the kubectl, right? Again, if you guys face any difficulties while installing the eksctl and kubectl, uh, which I'm not thinking or I'm not expecting any blocker while installing it, because for me it was like straightforward. I was just following these instructions in order to install it. And once you are done, you can simply uh, see that command is being sorry. Hmm. Okay, you can simply run this command in order to validate this. I think it is for Mac, right? So okay, yeah, I have used this like brew in order to install this. And yeah, actually that is what. So now, as you can see, now this is like successfully installed, right? Similarly, I think you can get the, I think that's not the command, so let's go, and I think this is the one. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the version which is installed in my system, right? So to summarize, in order to perform the hands-on, or in order to do the setup of CD in your actual project, you have to have this kubectl installed and eksctl installed, so that you can create the necessary resources in your cloud. Otherwise, you may not able to do that, right? So now let's move further.